Extreme rainfall this June has quickly filled up the Western Cape dams. Currently, most of the major dams are overflowing, except for the Voelvlei Dam sitting on 63%. The Eastern Cape dams are also starting to look much better, especially compared to the same time last year, where the Lurie Dam was 43% full and it's now sitting at above 80% full to capacity. And the Koga Dam is now just below 27% full. I know they've still got a long way to go to break the drought, but thankfully the dams are starting to rise. Can we expect more rain this week? Let's see. Another icy cold and frosty start to your Thursday for the interior of South Africa, with light frost in parts of the Karoo as well as foggy patches, and frost yet again expected in the Free State and parts of the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal. It's a mainly dry Thursday for South Africa, with only light rain possible over the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal, and into the evening drizzle spreading along the eastern escarpment as well as into parts of the Lowveld. It's a mainly sunny and warmer day for the Western Cape, with a high of 22 degrees in Langebaan, 19 in Cape Town. It is still quite cool over the interior, with some cloud at first, 18 degrees in Robertson, after a cold morning, only peaking at 16 in Laingsburg and 19 for Oudtshoorn, as well as Beaufort West, 17 for Plettenberg Bay. It's a mainly sunny day for the Garden Route. A band of cloud expected the morning here over parts of the Western as well as the Eastern Cape, later becoming partly cloudy, but it will remain cool to cold over large parts of the Eastern Cape. Maximum temperatures only peaking in the lower to mid-teens. An onshore southwesterly wind will bring in some cloud and light rain for the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Later, partly cloudy skies. It's much colder, with only 60 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. A icy cold start to your day for the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Some foggy patches in places as well as frost, and then cloudy conditions with drizzle into the evening along the eastern escarpment as well as into the Lowveld of Limpopo. It's a much colder day with 19 in Tzaneen, but becoming warm over the central and western areas. Another icy cold and frosty start to your day for northwest, with the mercury dropping below freezing level. Later, a sunny and comfortable winter's afternoon with temperatures in the mid-20s. In the Northern Cape, frosty in places the morning, especially over the southern and eastern areas. Only 4 degrees the morning in Upington, dropping to freezing points in Kimberley, peaking at a high of 20 degrees. A frosty morning for the Free State, temperatures dropping below freezing level, a mainly sunny and cool to mild afternoon. Frost also likely early in the morning over parts of Gauteng, dropping to freezing points in Vereniging, later sunny with a high of 21 degrees. And then on a Friday, mainly sunny skies for the central and southern parts of South Africa, partly cloudy conditions for the east as well as here in the west, and cooler weather will return to Cape Town ahead of another front that will bring another spell of light rain and cold conditions this weekend, with only a high of 16 degrees. Ahead of that front, warmer conditions for the Highveld with 24 in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.